guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with two of my friends. Hey! Say your name. Say your name.
My name's Aubrielle. Her name's Abby.
Also known as Animal Lover.
Yes.
Okay, so we're doing
Animal Fam.
Yeah, so happy lovers, I am going to be doing a squishy hide and seek. So
Including a dog.
no,
Just kidding.
not. But it's where Aubrielle and Abby are each gonna pick two squishies and out of my bin of squishies, and then there, that's better. And then they're gonna pick up and they're gonna have to go over there, and I'm going to be hiding them I'm gonna.
You can't be telling them where you're gonna hide them. That's not
No,
right.
I'm just hiding them in these areas over here, and this, over here is the area they're gonna have to hide. So here's Animal Lover with the dog. Okay,
Can we
but
hide on the other side of the house and stuff?
if you want to, but yeah, and I'm gonna be hiding them over here. So, so you each pick two squishies.
Okay. Can we
Can
go
I
ahead and start?
No, you'll each have to pick two squishies. One.
These.
The cake.
You got the cake.
She got the two cakes. Okay, Animal Lover, let's see which ones you got. So she got this one,
Where we go, girl? It's dark.
and then she got
The donut.
the cute
Donut.
donut. Okay, and then she picked both.
I got this. I got the cake.
She picked two of my cakes. She picked my two cake slices. So, since those are the ones they picked, now y'all can just put them on the floor right here. And y'all go over there and have fun over there. There you go. All right, so
I want puppy.
okay, first you guys as long as you're on okay,
I wouldn't run with Puppy.
can you hold it? Can you hold it right here at my camera?
You'll have to hold on this way.
Okay, you guys, I'm going to have to, yeah, I'm going to make sure that you guys are going to see where I'm hiding them. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Over here. All right. Hang on, I have to adjust my lighting. Hold this.
What do you do?
Hold the phone really close like this. Okay. So you guys, I'm going. No, please don't mess with these, okay? That's what those ones over there. Okay, so first we're going to be doing this one. So let's go. I'm going to be showing you where I'm gonna hide it. Uh-oh, my lighting just got weirdly adjusted. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna hide this right over here. No, Abby, go! Move! All right, well, you guys.
Thank you for using
Okay, you guys, so I'm going to put it. Come closer. So I'm going.
Natalia, can I please get a squishy and play with
Yes! Right there. There's where one is. Now.
Come on, baby.
Please move. Guys, don't be super all up here.
And I want this beauty. Please get my cake. Ate it.
No, you can't get. You want a cake? Okay.
Okay.
You need a cake. Alright, you guys, that was weird, but I'm going to get the strawberry, and we're going to go over here.
Come on. We have to go.
Yeah, please.
Wait, one second.
Okay. Oh, here we go. I know where I'm gonna hide this one. Right there. And then I'm gonna I'm just going to, actually, I'm going to hide it like there. Twist that like this. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, come on, baby. Let's go this way, baby. Come on, baby.
I know what you're hiding.
Don't tell them, please.
I'm gonna
Sorry, who got out my donut and didn't put it up?
bring it all the way over here. Sorry.
No, you're fine.
She's gonna beat me.
Alright, I'm just kicking it because my lighting is not adjusted right. Okay, there goes my lighting. Perfect. Okay, let's go.
Come on.
Don't tell them, okay?
I had one.
You want to hide one? Go grab that other one. Go grab the other one over there. There's another squishy over there. Go grab it. Go grab it, the donut. Okay, Tristan, make sure they can't see it, okay?
Okay.
Let's go.
Where's that supposed to hide it at?
You said you wanted to hide it, so you're going to have to figure that out.
Okay.
I know where I want to hide mine. I'm going to hide mine. Like right.
Remember, it's getting dark.
I know. All right, hang on, Tristan. I have a good place. Look, come here. You want to put it under here? Put it under it. Okay. My lighting. I need help with my lighting. Okay, here we go. So Tristan hid his under here. Well, hid Abby's animals, animal lovers. Girls, I'm ready.
There was a guy out there standing on that rock. Let's have some more.
All right, no, we can't hide more, Tristan. Please go put that over there.
We need to hurry because it's getting really dark.
Okay, well they're looking. No, you can't. You can't find somebody else's squishy.
Yeah, that's my squishy. I found it. I'm gonna come over here.
Abby, wait.
No. All right, no, Tristan, don't show her where it is.
All right, your other one is somewhere over here, Aubrielle.
Okay.
Somewhere over here at this toy box.
Are you lying to me?
No, I'm not.
Not here.
You don't show her, Tristan. All right, she found it. All right, let's go get it. Let's go get Animal. Animal, it's your turn. Let's go, girl.
It makes you so mad
Yeah,
because we couldn't bring
yeah.
any
I
of our
found
dogs because they found
Sorry, you guys. Sorry. Here.
Can I have one of your squishies?
No, you can't have one of my squishies.
Please, just one.
No, you can't have any.
Can I just have one to keep overnight?
No, because I don't live here. All right, Abby. Animal, let's go. Animal,
Sometimes the bigger
Animal, let's go.
I'm a killer.
No, you're not. Stop saying that. And don't say.
No, I didn't tell you.
There's one over here. There it is. No, stop. She found that. There, Abby. And Abby, your other one is somewhere over here.
I see it. I'm not.
No, don't tell her.
You hit it in an easy spot. Now you go pick all the ones that you want to pick.
No, how about this? Me and Aubrielle are gonna be the people that are. No, me and Animal are gonna be the people, and Aubrielle's gonna hide.
No, I want to hide.
No, let's make Aubrielle hide him. Yeah, so let's go put.
Okay, I got her.
Hang on, you guys. Actually, we're gonna end this here, but me, Aubrielle, and Abby are going to be playing some more. But I love you guys. Bye. It's a P.